Hi, and welcome back to another Prevention Unit social distancing event. I am Chef Sheila. Today, I will be making a simple strawberry spinach salad. This salad contains high nutrient foods and supports your body's immune system. To get started, here is what you will need.
You know, the bodybuilder always gets the chicken first. Alright, so this is a pretty good salad. I'm not the biggest salad fan, but from what I'm seeing here, you can get a lot of nutrients. You have your fruits and your vegetables, a lot of antioxidants and stuff like that. You have a good amount of fat. You have your proteins. I have nothing bad to say about this. If the chef wants a job next year when I'm on prep, I definitely need somebody to cook something this delicious for me, because this is great. And a birdie was telling me that the strawberry is good for Alzheimer's. A little recommendation: this meal is best for nighttime. Reason being, it's very light, has your proteins and your fats and not too much carbs, which kind of sit in your stomach overnight and give you a little tummy, and we don't want that. Yup.
We hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Remember to send us your comments and photos of your immune boosting salad. I am Chef Sheila. Thanks for watching. See you soon.